Hello everyone, I am Engineer Kamal Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Learners of Civil Engineering. Today I will discuss what is concrete and what are the different grades of concrete. As you all know, the concrete is a basic construction material used in many fields of civil engineering like buildings, roads, dams, water supply schemes, etc. Now, concrete is a mixture of coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, and binding material like cement. Okay. So now, what is coarse aggregate? Coarse aggregate is known as crush. Fine aggregate is known as sand. Binding material is known as cement. So all these ingredients are mixed following a proper water cement ratio. Okay. And the resultant mixture which is achieved is known as a concrete. Okay, we can add some admixtures in the concrete for giving special characteristics to concrete. So now, what is cement ratio? What is cement ratio? What is water cement ratio? Water cement ratio of concrete is expressed in liters of water added per bag of the cement. For example, if 1 cubic meter of concrete mix requires 150 kilogram of water in 300 kilogram of cement, so the resultant water cement ratio will be 0.5 because 150 divided by 300 is equal to 0.5. Okay, so now the question arises, what is 150 kg of water? So just as a rule of thumb, you must keep in your mind that 1 liter of water is equal to 1 kilogram of water. Okay, so that doesn't mean that you will have to add water in kg in the concrete in the field. No, the answer is no. You will have to just add water in the field in the concrete in the form of liters. So let's suppose after mixed design, it is just preferred that you are supposed to add 200 kilogram of water in the particular concrete mix per bag of the cement. Okay, so that will be known that you will add how much amount of water? You will add 200 liter of water. Okay, so now let me discuss the different grades of concrete. The different grades of concrete are achieved by mixing the ingredients of concrete in different ratios. Like for example, if you are talking about this M5, M5 is a concrete which is achieved by adding 1 part of cement, 5 parts of sand, and 10 parts of aggregates in the mix. Okay, and M7.5 concrete is achieved by adding 1 part of cement, 4 parts of sand, and 8 parts of coarse aggregate like crush. So for the same amount of cement in both these two mixes, okay, you can see for the same amount of cement in these two mixes, now we are adding almost 15 parts of the aggregate in this mix and 12 parts of the aggregate in the formation of M7.5 concrete. Okay, so I can easily say that the amount of coarse aggregate which are added are more in the M5 concrete as compared with the M75 concrete. So the resultant strength which will be achieved from both the mixes will be different. Okay, M5 will give us less strength and M7.5 will give us more strength, because in this particular strength for the same amount of cement we have added a minute amount of aggregate as compared with the M5 concrete. Okay, so now what is the meaning of M5? In this, M5 stands for mix. Okay, and 5 stands for the compressive strength. Okay, Like if I'm talking about M5, so 5 means 5 megapascal or 5 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, so that is the meaning of M5. Same goes for all other mixers. Okay, now let me discuss these types in detail. M5 is the type of concrete for which the ratio is 1:5:10. This ratio is explained over here. First part is cement, then sand, and then the porous aggregate. Okay, and the water per bag of cement, how much water we will be needing for this particular mix per bag of cement is a 60 liter. And the characteristic strength after 28 days from the initial casting will be how much? 5 megapascal or 5 Newton per millimeter square. If we will convert this in psi, pounds per square inch, so it will be 725 psi. Okay. Now M75 in M7.5 concrete is a 1:4:8 concrete, and the amount of water which will be needing for this mix is 45 liters. Okay, and the characteristic strength is 7.5 megapascal or 1087 psi. Both these concretes are utilized in lean purposes. Okay, below the foundations or below the floors. Okay, or such type of concrete is used as PCC, plain cement concrete, where there will be no need of steel reinforcement. Now I'm talking about the M10. So M10 is 1:3:6 concrete. The amount of water is 34 liters. Its strength is 10 megapascal. It is in psi 1450. I'm talking about M15 concrete, so it is 1:4 concrete. The amount of water per bag is 32 liters. The strength is 15 megapascal and 2175 psi. Then M20. M20 is 1:1.5:3 concrete. The amount of water per bag is 30 liters. The characteristic strength is 20 megapascal or it is 2900 psi. All these types like M10, M15, M20 are known as ordinary concrete. Okay, which means we are using it in ordinary purposes like for the construction of RCC beams, RCC columns, RCC slabs, raft foundations, retaining walls. Okay, even there will be steel reinforcement. So we can use M10, M15, and M20 concretes. Okay. So that's all for today's lecture. Okay. Kindly comment if you are in need of some further information, or if you want to hear some more videos of your interest. So kindly comment. You can also email me. The email is given in the description. Okay. Kindly like and share this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so that the recommendation for any future videos will come to you on time. Thank you and best of luck.